Hello everybody, welcome to our video. In this video, we'll be learning those 5 tricks and strategies that can increase your chances of getting your research papers published in reputed journals and publications. We all know that feeling when we feel that our research has been solid, our data has been analyzed perfectly, we have the results, we have a conclusion that is in line with our research questions. Still, a research paper gets rejected before getting published in a dream publication. So, what is the problem? Why does your papers get repeatedly rejected before getting published? The answer is that the problem does not lies in your research. It lies in the way you have presented your ideas and your content in your research article. So you need to improve the way in which you have presented your findings to the reviewer who is reviewing your article. So in this video, we'll be covering those 5 techniques that will surely are foolproof, that are surely increase your chances of your paper getting published in your dream publication. So one such strategy, this first strategy, is using an AI tool for refining your draft. So before you write your entire research paper, you have your draft in hand. So, or a manuscript in hand. So before writing the entire journal article, you can get your draft reviewed by a AI tool like Jenny. So it is very important for any research article to contain scientific accepted vocabulary. It should have a logical flow. It should have a proper structure in which all the headings are refined. So it is very important that you take help of AI tool like Jenny for refining your draft. It will help you in refining your sentences also, because the gap lies in the fact that we are researchers, and but for a research paper to get published, it is very important that it should be in proper academic English, and just not normal English in which we talk to each other. So it is very important to bridge that gap, because we should be following all the guidelines that are represented by the publications. So you can take help of an AI tool for refining your draft before you complete your research article and submit it to the publications for review. So taking help from AI will help you in refining your draft and understanding all the gaps, all the mistakes that you have done in the logical structure of your research paper. So the one such step is to take help from AI. Second help that you can take from AI, or second strategy, is to ensure that every statement that you are including in your research article is backed up with evidence. That is, it should be backed up with a proper citation, and for that sentence or for that finding, there should be a proper reference in your reference list at the end of your research article. In this case also, you can take help from AI tools like Jenny for including references. Gone are those times when you had to go to Google Scholar and copy paste reference of each paper that you have used in your research articles. Now you can take help of AI tool for including automatic references and citations in your research paper. All that you have to do is to ensure that the title of the paper that you have used in your research article, you need to save that and include in the library of the AI tool that you are using, maybe Jenny that you are using, or any other tool that you are using for including references in your research article. So the first technique was to refine your draft before getting to start the entire paper. Second is to ensure that every statement that you have included in your research paper is backed up with evidence. The third technique that you can use to increase your chances of your paper getting published in your dream publication is to include and then improve the quality of visuals that you are adding in your research papers. So if we compare two papers here, so one such paper is with simple graphs and logical structures, but one paper has lots of scientific illustration clearly showing the findings of the paper. You will get an idea that this paper is better than this paper, even though you have not even read the findings yet. Same is the reviewer that is studying your research paper article, because visuals attract the reviewers. It is very important for you to include your key findings in the form of high quality, scientifically accurate, and professional visuals, because that will increase the credibility of your research paper. It will also increase the understanding of your research paper by the reviewers, also by the future readers. So, including high quality visuals in your paper will surely increase the chances of your research paper getting published in that dream publication. There are many such AI tools that can convert your simple sample, hand drawn sketch into scientific illustrations, and one such AI tool that you can take help from is Illustrate, that can easily convert your sketch, your sample sketch, your hand-drawn sketch into scientific illustration that you can easily copy and paste in your scientific illustrations and include in your research paper. So now comes the fourth strategy that can increase your chances of your paper getting published in the dream publication is thoroughly reviewing your document before submitting. So I will suggest 3 rounds of check. The first round of check should be by AI. That is, that can be done by any AI tool like Jenny that can help you understand the gaps that are still existing in your research. The mistake that you have done in sentence formations, the mistake that you have done in the logical structure of your paper, the sentences that still lack evidences. So all of these mistakes should be first checked by a AI tool, because that will surely give you a boost in the confidence for your own research. You will get an idea that these are my mistakes and I need to correct it, and by the time you correct it, you will be confident that your paper is ready for submission for publication. So first is by AI. Second is plagiarism check, because till now I myself have suggested you to use AI in your research, and I think any researcher at this point of time will be using AI for automatically doing referencing or any paraphrasing in their assignments and research papers. So it is very important to ensure that any idea that you have taken from any of the research papers is properly paraphrased in your research article, and for that you need to do plagiarism check. Also, it is very important that you don't do plagiarism check from any free online tool available here and there, because there is a chance of privacy issues. Your paper can be leaked, or it can also show false scores. Maybe there will be high Turnitin score, but it will be showing less plagiarism score in your document. So it is very important for you to use proper, authentic, professional plagiarism tools like Inauthenticate and Turnitin to check your plagiarism scores and AI scores before submitting your research article for getting published in your dream publication. It is very important. The third round of review should be done by an AI tool called Jenny for checking that whether your paper is ready for publication or not. So that is a journal submission check. So you need to give a command to a tool like Jenny or any other AI tool to ask the tool that whether my paper is ready for submission in this publication or not. So when you will be giving this command to the AI tool, it will be checking your research article based on all the guidelines of that publication, and it will give you suggestions on how to improve your research article before submitting the research article. So these are 3 rounds of checks for your research articles. First is a draft check, which will be done by an AI tool, maybe Jenny. The second is plagiarism check, which should be done by authenticate professional plagiarism tools like Inauthenticate and Turnitin that can help you check the plagiarism scores of your content. And third is journal submission check, which can be done by an AI tool to investigate that whether your research paper is finally ready for that submission to get published in your dream publication or not. So this is the fourth technique for improving your chances of making sure that your research paper get published in that dream publication. The fifth strategy that can improve the chances is following the guidelines of that publication correctly. So before you begin with writing your research article, it is very important that you thoroughly read down all the guidelines that the publication has mentioned for their researchers. Maybe the word count of the document, maybe the pages of the document, maybe the chapters that you need to include of the document, maybe also for sure the referencing and the citation style that they have recommended. They have recommended APA or MLA or Chicago or Harvard. So you need to learn what are those guidelines. Only then your chances of a paper getting published can increase multifold. Because if you don't pull off all these guidelines, your paper will get rejected on the desk itself. It will not go for peer review by the reviewers that whether the paper is quality has that much quality to get published in that publication or not, but it will get rejected on the desk because you have not adhered by the guidelines that the publication mentioned for their researchers. So the 5 techniques that we have, and going for a quick recap, that the 5 techniques that I have mentioned in this video that can increase the chances of a paper getting published in that dream publication are: first is that you need to get your research paper draft being reviewed by an AI tool. It is second is that you need to include evidence for your every statement that you are including in your research article. Third is that there are 3 rounds of check that you need to do for your research article. First is done by AI tool. Second is done for the plagiarism check by Authenticate plagiarism tools. The third is for submission check, journal submission check that can be done by any AI tool. Fourth is that you need to include visuals in your research article for increasing the credibility and understandability of your research paper article by the readers. And fifth is to follow the guidelines set by the publication. And I believe that all these suggestions will surely increase your chances of your paper being published. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt related to your publication or writing any type of content in your research article, you can quickly write down in the comments and I will be happy to respond. Thank you so much.